The financial security from working your butt off for 3 months, working as hard as you can for 3 or 4 months, can really carry on throughout the rest of the year. That's really what caught my attention. And so I really liked that idea of being able to work really hard for a few months, know that I'm going to be sacrificing some time and stuff, but being able to put that into what I can do the rest of the year, pay off school, go do a fun vacation, do fun trips, that kind of stuff. It really pulled me in, I guess, with that. I like meeting people, I like talking to people, getting to know them. And so when I stopped trying to be a salesman and started trying to be somebody that would be a friend with that person, when I was knocking on doors, I was getting to know people. I was walking them around their house, getting to know them, showing them problems at the same time that maybe they have not seen. And I think that's really where it got to the point where it was something that I was comfortable with, that I actually enjoyed doing. But when you find the people that are already away from home and they're looking to make it on their own, this is a really good stepping stone for them to be able to get into that financial stability and the growth and the knowledge of, I mean, you're living on your own. You're working a full-time job, and you're able to, from what you do, see the benefits and the fruits of your work by helping people and taking care of them. And the work you put in is what you get out of it as well.
I feel like there's a lot more of a focus on the why instead of the how. Because honestly, you can walk up to a door and say, hey, I have a pest control company, buy my pest control. Anybody can do that. But when you're putting in the effort to learn and to be educated yourself and bring that to other people instead of their normal, no, I already have that, I'm fine, then you can break through that barrier and be able to, from basically the angle of, I'm here to help you. This is what I do. Follow me around the house. I'll show you what you're dealing with and why we're different, why we're unique.